We're going to put a solar panel leg onto this solar panel. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using all of these parts that come in the kit with it. You'll need a 7/16 wrench. First, take the frame bracket and using these small grooves, slide it onto the frame of the solar panel. Then you'll take the short bolt and slide it through the hole and the grommet at the same time to hold it together. Ensure that you slide the bracket towards the top of the solar panel. Then take the flange nut and begin to thread it onto the bottom side of the bolt. Now using your 7/16 wrench, you may now tighten the flange nut to the bolt. Take the leg bracket and fit it into place, and grab the longer bolt and slide it into position through the frame and leg mount. Then grab the wing nut and thread it onto the long bolt. Simply spin it into place so that way it can be loosened later. Taking the small nut, slide it into this groove in the bottom of the leg bracket, and take the thumb bolt and thread it into the nut that is inside of the leg bracket. Now taking the leg itself, extend the top section out just a little bit and slide it into the leg bracket and then tighten the thumb bolt. Make sure to not over tighten. To adjust the angle of the leg and to prop it out, simply undo the wing nut and press inward towards the center of the solar panel to prop out the leg bracket. Then you can adjust the bracket to any angle that you want using the teeth grooves that are already built into the bracket. This will be your macro angle adjustment for any time of the year. In order to get micro angle adjustments, simply adjust the leg itself to different lengths so that way you can get the exact angle you need for the time of year or for the scene or conditions. Simply loosen these, tighten them however you please.